Invisible enemies sometimes come home with you, landing on places of comfort, sticking on high-touch surfaces, and moving in the air you breathe. Bacteria and viruses in the air puts the family at risk. A place of comfort shouldn't be a place of fear. Why worry when you have UV Care ViruX Aircon filter with an installation process as easy as 1, 2, 3. Scientifically tested and proven to eliminate SARS-CoV-2 and your worries in an instant. Say goodbye to 99.97% of viruses and welcome a kind of protection like no other. Breathe easy, smile freely, and relax instantly with UV Care ViruX Aircon filter.